Thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful braided wig, and I just want you to comment down below if you love the color, if you love the style. So the first requirement for this tutorial is ear to earless front cap, and there's a detailed tutorial I shared with you on how to make this cap. So just in case you're interested, kindly check the description box down below. So basically what I did, I just took a lace and sew it on my dome cap, cut the cap, and just that was it. For the baby hair, I'm not going to apply gel, but when you make it, of course, you have to apply gel on the baby hair. If you're comfortable wearing it with the baby hair like this, that is also okay. So if you want to watch a detailed tutorial, just check the link in the description box down below. And yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Just comment down below if you love it. And also, if you want any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my website details in the comment section down below, or my WhatsApp number, so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. I ship worldwide. If you're in Guyana, if you're in Jamaica, UK, US, France, Italy, I ship worldwide. Okay, just contact me on WhatsApp and share with me the wig that you want and I'll send them to you. Okay, yeah. So if you want, just trim the baby hair and apply some gel on it, but I'm not going to trim because the wig is not mine. I made it for a client. Hey, hey, hey.